Welcome to Data Analysis Program with SQL and Python with Job Placement Assistance. This is a bootcamp program that covers project-based learning from basics to advanced. This program is intended to complete it in 2 months, every week one session with coach online or in class. Session duration is 3 hours or close. It covers 2 to 3 projects using Python, SQL, Looker, Power BI, and similar tools. It covers in-depth learning of data collection, data cleaning, data profiling, ETL, data visualization, ad hoc analysis, and end-to-end process of data analysis using various tools. Let's look at what will you study by visuals. Here is the details from the ongoing live classes, where students learn real-time projects with the coach. You will be diving into in-depth learning of SQL for complex queries and data analysis using various tools. You will be working on fact and dimensions, data models. Who should join this program? Recent graduates, new Canadians, looking for great career in IT, someone with career gap, currently on EI or maternity, looking to switch from retail, sales, marketing, or medical to IT. And data visualizations using various tools. Why data analysis? It is a great career, and you can find remote and hybrid full-time or contract roles across North America. You will be eligible to apply junior data analyst, business data analyst, business intelligence analyst, data governance analyst jobs after the training. The average salary earned by a data analyst is $120,000 according to Glassdoor. What includes in this program and how can you join? Complete data analysis training, certificate of completion, resume guidance, and job placement assistance is included. Check out the dates for the next cohort. You can learn in class or online from day 1. Or you can learn self-paced Monday to Friday and complete the entire learning in fast track. Call us today and we will guide you further. Looking forward to make your career in data analysis.